Good morning. Oh, I'm looking a little rough. I had to take a Benadryl last night because something was making me itchy. I don't know, I'm allergic to some plant here or something. There's Pippa. Okay, anyways, it's laundry day and I have to obviously shower. We're gonna strip the bed, take everything. I also need to do Pippa's stuff. We need to do your bed. We need to do your bed. Don't we? Don't we? Don't we need to do yours? I'm not gonna wash Pippa's actual bed because the laundromat I go to is really small and they technically don't let you do quote-unquote pet items, but I am gonna do her sheet and her blankets. Her actual bed never really gets that dirty, but those blankets do because she coughs all over them like a freak. But I love you. Are you ready to do chores? Are you ready to do chores? I have no idea when you guys are gonna see this video, but we are in Wyoming and so it's like 55 degrees outside, so we got to sleep in a little bit today because it's not gonna be too hot to leave you in the car when I shower. And then we also need to do my kind of dirty, kind of not laundry pile, and that's a real thing. So I'm gonna strip everything and then I'll show you, since I probably haven't showed that since the very first video. Okay. Oh no. Did you get trapped behind the laundry pile? I gotta go put this in the car. Oh, I gotta go put it in the car. Do you want to come out with me? You can run around. Oh, are you gonna find a way to get out? Are you gonna find a way? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where there's a will, there's a Pippa. All right, let's go. Let's go. You gotta be careful, Pip. There was a moose out here earlier. It was cool. I didn't get a video. Sorry, guys. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go for a ride? Okay, we're off, guys. We are gonna go shower first. I know that doesn't make sense to some people, why a lot of travelers shower before they do everything else, because wouldn't you think you wanted to like get out of the shower and everything be clean? Or like shower after you do your laundry. It doesn't make sense when you're on the road. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's because like after you shower and you're finally clean, you can then like put your towel and like the clothes you slept in your laundry bag, and it be like every piece of clothing pretty much is clean, because you like, all of us usually have like an outfit we wear when we do laundry, and it's usually like a pair of jeans you don't like, or like a t-shirt dress or something like that in the summer. So this road is terrible, so I can't talk anymore about it. But also I always shower first because of the dog, but it does make sense to me to always shower first. So we'll see you when we get there. Shower time. All right, you better be good. I'm gonna go shower. I'll be right back. All right, I just showered. Obviously my hair is wet, and then just ran into, there's a grocery store right next to the gym, and I had to get toilet paper, and then I wanted to get like a breakfast snack, which this is not a breakfast snack, but it's the healthiest thing I could find in there for like grab and go. So I just got some cheese sticks and some meat for protein, little combo pack. And then I'm gonna try this Stumptown Oatly horchata and see if I like that for some caffeine, because I didn't bring anything with me, and then I had to get cash out to do laundry, and so now we're gonna go drive across the street and go do laundry and just chill. Yay. Alright, we're just waiting for my laundry. My hair is almost dry and very short now that it's curly. Pippa's just down here sleeping. I've just been editing my video for the week and this is actually really, really good. I will 10 out of 10 horchata, buy it again. The beef stick and cheese combo was okay. I probably won't ever buy those again. I like the cheese sticks from that brand, but these little like beef sticks aren't very good and their texture is kind of weird. But it was a nice little protein snack. So yeah, I'm about to get my laundry. It's in the dryer right now. I was gonna film more in there, but there's like a bunch of kids in there now running around and I don't feel comfortable filming. So sorry, you only get like one clip, I think. But then we're gonna go back to the camper, put everything away. And yeah, if you don't know, I just go to the laundromat. That's where I'm at right now. That's how I do my clothes most of the time, unless there is a campground nearby that I can get day use and get the okay to do my laundry at a campground. But 99.999% of the time, I just go to a laundromat, just like anybody else who doesn't have a washer and dryer in their house. All right, laundry is done. Pippa is overheating because she wants to lay on the steaming hot blankets. And honestly, I've stopped fighting her on it because it's her favorite thing. And if she wants to overheat while laying on those blankets, that's her prerogative. So we're gonna go back to my campsite. See you in a bit. Are you cozy? I'm sorry for judging you, but what position was that? Were you relaxing? You got your butthole open and everything now. Were you sleeping? Do you want to go for a ride in the car? I'm gonna go get food. Do you want to take the night off and go get food? I just got up to see what you were doing. You were hardcore relaxing. Guys, I'm putting this in the laundry vlog because I forgot to finish the laundry. I'm so sorry. It's right here. It's sitting on my bed. I still haven't folded it, but I've been like living out of it. But I'm moving out of my storage unit today in Denver, and I could not be more excited to never have to drive into downtown Denver ever again. I found a storage unit in the town that I'm in right now, which is a couple hours from Denver, or like the town I'm near. And the same size unit is $30 cheaper up here, has more security, and the people are way nicer. And I can actually drive through the storage facility if I had the camper attached, so I don't have to make separate trips all the time. And then I never have to drive through Denver again if I don't want to. So that is what we're gonna go do today. We got a late start. It's already like almost 9 o'clock. But I slept so hard last night, which was good. But let's go to Denver. Here it is. My storage unit from hell. It'll probably be good to clean out some of this stuff. Give Goodbye, 719. See you.